A warm welcome from Philagro, South Africa. My name is Jaco Marais, and I'm the Commercial and Marketing Manager for the Northern Regions. I'm happy to share with you some information today regarding Philagro South Africa's legacy BT solutions registered for use on potatoes. As Philagro South Africa, we form part of a multinational group of companies under the leadership of Sumitomo Chemical based in Tokyo, Japan. Already many years ago, Sumitomo Chemical recognized the need for biorational investment. From there, Valent Biosciences, based in Libertyville, the USA, has established itself as a leader in biorational R&D as well as manufacturing. As a company, we strive towards leadership in biorationals and are driving the future in sustainability through innovation. As part of our legacy BT technology that we offer to the South African market, we have Dipel and Floorback. Both of these products contain the beneficial soil bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis. They produce cryproteins with bioinsecticidal properties. The Dipel version contains the Krustaki subspecies, and the Floorback the Izwai. This means that you have unique cryproteins that specialize against specific target pests, but also improves your insect resistance management program. It's also worth noting that once pest larvae ingest the BT proteins, they stop feeding. And also it's environmentally friendly without harming beneficial organisms, especially the natural enemies of target pest larvae. So with that, I would like to share the short video with you on the legacy of BT and the legacy of Dipel, and also enjoy the rest of the symposium. And remember, Dipel, dependable pest control, naturally.
Effective and dependable, Dipel is one of the world's leading bioinsecticides. A key reason for its quality and success starts with a superior strain and an unwavering dedication to high-quality manufacturing. Dipel's manufacturing process starts with a pure culture of the Bacillus thuringiensis strain ABTS 351, kept exactly the same today as it was when it was isolated from a cotton bollworm more than 50 years ago. From there, the beneficial microbe is grown in a shake flask, then injected into huge industrial fermenters. Inside the fermenter is a growth medium uniquely suited to the rapid reproduction of this strain of bacillus. During fermentation, the Dipel strain grows exponentially and produces enzymes, secondary metabolites, and synergists that work together to target caterpillars. Toward the end of fermentation, Dipel cells start to accumulate cryproteins at such a high concentration and at such purity that they naturally crystallize in the cell to form the primary insecticidal active ingredient in Dipel. When fermentation is complete, the recovery process begins. The spores, crystallized protein toxins, and other metabolites crucial to Dipel's effectiveness are carefully separated from the material used to grow the bacteria. Nearby is a secure laboratory raising two species of caterpillars, cabbage looper and diamondback moth. These insect colonies have been maintained for thousands of generations for the purpose of testing every BT product, batch by batch, against live insects. Every lot of Dipel that leaves the manufacturing plant is accompanied by a certificate of analysis backed by live insect bioassay certified under ISO 17025, a rigorous validation for laboratory methods. Because of the commitment to quality in both the strain and the manufacturing, Dipel is a technology perfectly suited to meet the needs of today's sustainable crop producers. Talk to your local representative about how Dipel's reliability can benefit your caterpillar management.